Hi! This weekend is the biggest religious party in this country. Easter, Pascha. Which means if you're living in Bucharest, chances high that you will be leaving the city to go to be with your family. Means spending 48 hours or more together. This can be great. Unfortunately, there are these family members, and every family has at least one of them, who's really annoying, who's really poisoning the whole thing, for you personally. And everyone has his own nemesis. So how to deal with this? Well, I found a way to deal with this by using some very simple techniques that you can apply easily during such a weekend, and you can even train yourself on them before. And that's why I decided to organize, very soon, in 2 days actually, on Wednesday 24th here in Bucharest in the evening, starting 6:30, a workshop where I will teach you these simple methods and tools that you can use so that it will affect you less. And the more you practice this, at a certain point it will stop affecting you. And this kind of people will even stop behaving this way towards you because there is no effect, so it's not fun for them anymore to poison your life. So this sounds to you like, oh yeah, this is really something I need because I have this, this person, I could, okay, then click the link, register and come and be there on Wednesday evening. Looking forward to working with you. Have a great day.